Hello everyone, welcome to my other video. So today I'm going to show you how to bypass some error messages during Windows 11 installation. So you can get different types of error messages during installation, but most of the cases you might get this PC must support TPM 2.0, and also you can get something like secure boot must be enabled. So this video would give you solution for all these type of error messages. So let's get started. So here first of all you have to download two things. One is this Windows installation folder. You can get this as ISO or zip. You have to extract this and you have to download this DLL file. So after downloading both of them, you have to copy this DLL file and you have to go inside this Windows 11 installation folder. You have to go inside sources and you have to paste it here. So remember, you have to replace it. So click on replace. That's it. So now if you just open this installation file of Windows 11, you can see that it will work perfectly. By the way, I will give both the download links in my description section. You can check it out. So that's all for today. If you can also bypass these error messages or face any difficulties, let me know in the comment section, and also consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.